To connect the Bluetooth, turn on by pressing this button, power on button. Press this Bluetooth button here. Now you have to search here. Now after searching here, I've got this JBL Flip 3. Clicking that, it is asking for pairing. Press pair button here. It is connected. This is how you can connect to the Bluetooth. To reset this JBL Flip 3 for factory settings, you have to press this plus button and this play pause button continuously for 3 seconds. Now it is back to factory settings. Here it is disconnected. Now I am removing this to show you the hard reset as well. Now to hard reset, I am turning on the speaker here. This is factory settings. Once you start the speaker, it will go to automatic Bluetooth pairing mode. You can connect here like this as I shown earlier. Now speaker is connected. Now I am going to do hard reset, like pressing these 4 buttons: Bluetooth button, volume minus button, volume up button, volume plus, and play pause button at once. Now speaker is turned off now completely. Now I am turning on the speaker. This is hard reset. This will not go to BT pairing mode since this is hard reset. This is not factory reset. If you do factory reset, it will go to pairing mode. Hard reset will not go to factory settings, but it will restart the speaker. That is the difference. Now it is connected without pairing even after hard resetting. Now just playing the song and showing here. So I hope you got the difference for factory resetting and hard resetting. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching again. Bye.